Hello kids, today we're going to be conducting an experiment, creating our own projection screen. We're going to need a plastic cup, pre-cut, please ask for parents' assistance, some packing tape, some markers, and scissors to cut. I'm going to be drawing onto the tape. My first drawing is going to be a rocket ship. I drew using a black marker, drew the outline of the rocket ship or anything you guys want to project onto your wall. What do you guys think the reason why the image is going to project onto the wall? Why does light and dark have that impact? These are some of the things you're going to have to come up with these theories. And kids, get creative in creating your images to view on your projection screen. There is no wrong or right. It's your imagination, your creativity on this experiment. Again, have fun with it. After I'm done drawing my rocket, I'm going to use my scissors and cut it and place it on top of the cup. If you need parents' assistance, please ask for permission for help and ask them to help you cut it if you have trouble cutting the tape. Place it on top of the cup, and as you can see, I use a flashlight inside the cup, and here's my image of my rocket, and here's the image of my rainbow. I hope you guys enjoy this little activity, experiment, and always have fun. It's okay to make mistakes. It's part of learning. I hope you guys enjoy this video.